Hello Victory Wonders. It's me Shoro Nika. I had to put voiceover because I lost my voice a little. In my last video people gave suggestions of dark colors. If you are wondering for what, then go and check out my video. But today I'm doing a tutorial on how to draw an eye in digital art. I'm using an app called Ibis Paintex. Even if it is hard, you guys can try it. It is quite simple. I have a thought of doing shout-outs on my next video for those who suggested colors. So far so good. Ooh, so nice. Here's the end result. Is it nice? Comment it down below.